Alright guys, another package came in. Got some more LEDs for the box. Let's see. These are the switchback lights for the bumper lights, turn signals. These are the resistors for it. And just got some LEDs to replace all the lights that's in the car. Okay guys, as y'all can see, the side-by-side comparison between the old factory bulb and the new LED bulb. Also smoke the side marker lights. Can't really see it that good in the daytime. The LED shining through the side marker lights since I smoked them. This is the diagram that came with my LED resistors to show you how to wire it up. Okay guys, with this resistor, one part of the resistor is going to go into your turn signal and the other is going to go to the ground. And on the driver's side, the turn signal is the light blue side and the ground is the black wire. And again, always attach your resistor to something metal because it gets really hot. You don't want it to short out anything. And now I'm on the passenger side, same thing. Except this side, it's the dark blue. Well, I ain't gonna say dark blue, just say royal blue. It's turn signal. And again, the black is the ground. And that's where I got it mounted at. Alright guys, these lights right here, it's gonna replace this one. These should be my reverse lights. These lights right here should replace the ones in the foot wells, floor wells, what do you want to call them. And these should be my signal lights. And also light for my trunk. Alright, I had to take the CD player out to get to the bulb in the ashtray right there. Got that changed over to LED. And I also